hay trackers. We've got a jeep ride, and then we're into a little trek that's going to take us from Machhapuchhre to somewhere just past Poon Hill. That's the start of our next adventure. I'll show you handbrake. That truck, I think it's got that. Holy shit. Wow. Our turn. Here we go. Not down there. Definitely not down there. After a nice little lunch stop at Machhapuchhre, and yeah, we're finally back on our feet instead of the truck, so that's a welcome relief. Yeah, and on a nice little trail. They are still lovely. Lovely little forest. I can barely make out the water, but I can certainly hear it. Yeah. Well, that back there's the road, isn't it? So.
What?
Go for a little stroll.
Go for a little stroll.
Without a neck.
Come on, you put a neck on it. I need to lose some weight out of this time.
You do have a lot of stuff.
Not too bad like that. But all this way.
This is our porters carrying our bags up all these steps.